Today, we're going to be spatchcocking a chicken. For me, spatchcocking is one of the best ways to cook a bird, whether it's on the barbecue, the grill, or in the oven. By flattening it out, it cooks a lot quicker, cooks more evenly, and also lets much more flavour penetrate the meat. So let's get started. And I've got a large whole chicken here. And what we want to do is start by turning it over. And what you'll see here, hopefully you can see that, there is a bone and it's going to run all the way down here. Basically, it's like the spine, like we've all got. And what we want to do is cut either side of that to release it and take it out. So you want yourself a sharp knife for this, or you could use kitchen scissors, or as Fanny Craddock used to do, she used to use a pair of garden secateurs. I wouldn't advise it, but I like to use the knife, but whatever works for you. And you're just basically going to cut all the way down through that bone. And you want to stay as close as you can to that spine. So we've released one side. I'm actually going to flip it round because it's easier for me. And we're going to cut right down the other side of that bone. Again, be careful of your fingers. That's it. Once you've removed it, like so, you'll end up with that. And of course, we can use that now for stock. And there's one last little bit that you need to do, because if we put that down now, it's actually not going to sit completely flat. As you see, it's still quite proud there. So hopefully you can see this. Here is your main sort of bone. What you want to do is just get your knife and just give that a little slit in there. Don't want to go down too far. And if you wanted to at this stage, you could actually take out the main breastbone there, but I'm not going to. I prefer it in. I think it adds more flavour. So we're going to flip it over, and then what you want to do is just get your hands and push it down, and you'll hear it crack. And that's it. One spatchcock chicken. Guys, that's it from me for today. A real quick one for you. I will be back later on this week. We're going to marinate this up in a lovely spiced yogurt marinade, and we're going to be cooking it outside on the barbecue. And then later on in the week, we're going to be using the remainder of the chicken, so the leftover chicken, making up a lovely coronation chicken, and then serving it in a lovely jacket potato that will have also been cooked on the barbecue. I really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share, comment, got a hype button. I'd really appreciate one of those. But all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.